Okay, so I think it's recording. This is just a test to see if screencast-o-matic works on PowerPoint. So basically I'm trying to have it, record my screen and record my webcam so that I can talk to the students and they can actually see me. Okay, so that worked. I had to click. Okay, now it's working. Just took a second to I was trying to click to another slide. That seems to work. And I can just talk away yes, yes, yes. Stuff about death. Stuff about death. The thing that I did notice though is screencast will only record you for 15 minutes, which, I mean, I guess that'd probably be goal anyways, trying to get your lectures down to that short would be ideal, but that is how long it lasts. So that's the only thing that I'm seeing as an issue at the moment, as well as maybe having to format your PowerPoints to move your picture around. But I can even move me around. So you could kind of, if you forgot, you can maybe move it to a part of the screen that looked better, moved it out of the way.